How to loop a video on CapCut in PC. So first you want to open up your project and import your media. Import the first video to the timeline. Click on it, hold Ctrl and C to copy, and then Ctrl and V to paste, and then move it about 1/3 of the other video to the end. And then select the second video on top of it. Scroll down under Video Basic category, enable the blend option, and expand it. And from here you want to reduce the opacity to 0% and add a keyframe. Now move the cursor to where the video is about to end, the first one right here, and then select the second one and bump up the opacity to 100% and add a keyframe if it doesn't add one automatically. Now once you're done, now you want to go to the beginning of your video and cut like 1/3 of it again by pressing the split here or pressing Ctrl B with your first video selected. And then you want to take this part and move it to the top of the second video right here and snap it to the end exactly. Now select the last video you added and then reduce the opacity to about 100 or about 0% right here, and then add a keyframe. Now move your cursor again to the end right here, but before the video ends, not exactly at the end, and bump the opacity to 100% and add a keyframe. Now you want to adjust your videos again, so select everything and move it to about like the ending of the first video right here. Now you want to select everything either by holding Ctrl A or selecting with your mouse, and then you can right click and click on Create Compound Clip, or hold down Alt and press G. Now what you want to do is basically copy and paste the video however many times you need the video to be looping. So for example, I'm going to paste it about 3 times right here, and this should perfectly play the video in loop. And once you're finished, you can press this play button right here and watch your video. I'm going to speed it up by 3 times so that you can see it. And it's perfectly looping as you can see right here. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.